Removing sticky labels is the most challenging task we face, especially if you want to reuse those jars for something productive. So today I'm going to show you easy hacks to get them off. The first hack is using an acetone. Take a small amount of acetone on a cotton pad and just dampen the label, which will effectively dissolve the sticker adhesive. Then gently just rub the sticker. You'll see that the label comes off easily. The second hack is using hot water. Take a bowl of hot water and soak the jar inside for about 15 to 20 minutes. You'll see that the label comes off easily, leaving behind a white residue. To remove that, use any oil and gently rub that area. The third hack is using a blow dryer. Use the blow dryer on a high speed a little away from the label, which will heat up the glue under the label, making it easier to peel it off. Again, if there's any sticky residue left, use acetone or any oil and gently rub that area. So there you go. These hacks are fail-proof and will leave your containers looking sparkly clean. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.